Howdy. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple visual of how you can actually start an OnlyFans agency and take it from $0 to at least 20K a month. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com and the Empire Forums, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and pets and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. Now, all the other videos like this I see on YouTube, I saw a crazy one recently. It was, if it's not clickbait, I don't know what is, but said how to make $500,000 a month using OnlyFans. And they open up and it's got these graphs and things pointing here and tables and air tables and spreadsheets. And I'm thinking to myself, if I'm new to this space and I'm trying to get into it, I'm watching all these YouTube videos, see what to do, and I see a video like that, you can throw a big round number on it and it sounds very exciting. But when you start showing all these little things and these graphs and this air tables, and first of all, these videos are way overcomplicated. But anyway, and you're seeing all these arrows pointing here and how to do that, and you just do that, and it makes it sound real easy. Man, you're scaring these people off. So I'm just winging this, by the way, but I thought I'd like just show a very simple visual of what you want to do. All right. So first, this is not going to seem like this is actually the first thing to do, but I'm telling you it is. Social proof, your personal IG. Social proof, your personal IG. All these videos out there, oh, you need to make a website, you need to make your agency, blah, blah, blah. Nah, fuck that. Do that later. Start off social proofing your personal IG. Get revenue screenshots, fake revenue screenshots. Chuck them in the stories, chuck them in your highlights. Make your personal IG look credible. And then you start outreaching. Yeah? Done. Second, sign, close, and set up. Sign the model, close the model, and set up. Make sure the contract's signed, and then start setting up the back end. Then you start setting up the business. Don't worry about doing that before. You can be all prim and proper and do all that and get everything sorted and perfect it all, and then go pitching. Fuck that. Jump straight in. This is what I'm saying. So once you've signed a model, you've got the contract, then go, all right, now what the fuck do I do? All right? I'm being very blunt here because I'm just telling you this is how I would do it. I'd say, fuck that. Fuck waiting around to get into it. All right? So sign, close, on board, then set up your business. Fake it until you make it. Third, set up the clients, set up the models, OnlyFans, socials, etc. with anti-detect. Now, then, once you get to this point, then go learning about anti-detect web browsers. Then you go learning about proxies. Then you learn how to sign into OnlyFans using a proxy and an anti-detect web browser, so then it can't be detected. Then you learn all that stuff. Fuck learning about all that before. Start doing this when you're up to that, all right? So once you've done the first, second, then you start setting up the clients, OnlyFans. Then you learn how anti-detect web browser, blah, 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 blah. Right? Done. 4. You're very blunt. But some people just need to be told this. Some people just need to be told, get off their fucking ass and just get to work. Some people just spreadsheet everything to death, right? 4th, learn marketing methods. Now you learn marketing methods. What I'm going to say to you, TikTok. If the model doesn't use TikTok, fuck it, learn that later. Reddit, dating apps, learn all that. As I said, if the model doesn't do TikTok, worry about that later. Skip. We'd speed, right? Skip TikTok. Learn Reddit, dating apps. Dating apps going to be a bitch. It's going to take you a couple of weeks to learn that. No worries. That's cool. Tell the model it's going to take you a couple of weeks to set up. That's normal. Then once you've got all that, then learn how to chat. Because now subscribers are going to be coming in, and now you'll learn how to chat. Learn how to chat yourself. Do not go hiring. That is later. Do everything yourself. Be in the trenches, all right? Learn how to chat yourself. Learn how to sell PPVs. All right? Done. 6. Once you got that sorted, then learn banking. Learn banking. and invoicing. Right? Don't learn banking and invoicing until it's time to withdraw, until you've actually made money. Don't worry about learning invoicing and banking before you've even got money coming in. Fuck that. Get the money coming in, then learn all about banking and invoicing. 7. Now learn how to hire VAs. VA, chatter. After you have learned how to chat. So you've learned how to chat yourself. Cool. You know how to make money. You know how it works. You've started selling PPVs. Awesome. Then you got money coming in. Now you're going to learn banking and invoicing. Once you've done that, then you start automating. Then you learn how to hire VAs and chatters. Fuck the bots. Fuck all that. Just learn how to hire VAs and chatters when you're actually up to this step. And then once you've done that, this is the coolest part. 8. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. So by the time you get to the 8th stage, I would say about 80% of the operation should be automated by then. This is when you already have the subscribers coming in, the marketing methods are set up. You've already learned the dating apps, the Reddits, you've already learned the scheduling and all that. That's working now. You've all got that sorted. You can even hire a VA, schedule the Reddit for you, no worries at all. Now you've already got the chatters too. The chatters are working around the clock. Awesome. No, I don't have to be around the clock. But you've got the chatters working, so 80% of the operation is done. Do it all again. Now you can see how an agency can go from 0 to 20K by doing this, and then you automate 80% of the operation, 80% of the models, everything that's included, and then you go back to step 1, start pitching, start outreaching, do it all again, and that's it. And I'm gonna keep this fucking simple because some people just need to be told straight up to get off your ass and start working. Stop spreadsheeting everything down. Stop learning. Do that later. Just take action. Some people need this video, so I'm keeping it nice and short for you guys who do need it. And that's it. If you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and check out the Empire forums.
The ultimate hub for OnlyFans success.